I'm gonna take just $1,000 and grow a real trading account in 2025, and you're gonna be able to follow along the entire way. Today, I'm kicking off a brand new small account challenge where I'll document every single trade, wins, losses, and lessons using MooMoo's trading platform. I've been trading for over a decade now. I've had huge wins and painful losses, but I know that most traders don't just start with a $25,000 or a $50,000 account. In fact, they all start small. That's why when MooMoo approached me with this $1,000, I found this a great opportunity to show you guys how to grow a small account the modest way and the correct way. But before I break down why I chose to do this and how this challenge will work, I've got a quick announcement for you guys. At the end of this video, I'll show you how you can get access to my free training made specifically for this challenge and how you can join me in my community so you can trade alongside me for the entire process. So make sure you stay till the end of the video. So why MooMoo? As most of you know, I'm located in Canada. Our brokers here are absolutely horrendous and we don't have many options. However, MooMoo is also a great platform for even my American students. To start, one of the main reasons why I decided to go with this platform for this challenge is because of the 60-day commission-free trades that you'll get once you join as a brand new user. This is vital to make sure that we keep our profits in the account instead of giving it to the broker. Aside from that, one of the great things that's going to really help us in this small account challenge is the fact that MooMoo is going to give us cash vouchers. These are pretty much cash. So if you put $100 into your account, you're actually going to get a $50 cash voucher. If you put $5,000 into your account, you will get a $300 cash voucher. This is on top of the 60-day commissions free trading that you will get. Another great thing is if you decide to put the money in there and don't trade it, they actually give you a 6% annualized interest on the money that's in there. Since we're talking about fees, one of the great things, especially for you Canadians, is that the contract fees here is only 65 cents. Unlike Questrade, which charges 99 cents, and unlike Wealthsimple, which is robbing all my Canadians at $2. That's absolutely insane. So finally, we have a broker that's going to allow us to trade, and it's not going to take a ton of money out of our pocket. The second thing is option contracts. They're going to be extremely cheap, which is vital to grow a small account. So this means more of our money will stay in our account instead of going to the broker. And on top of that, MooMoo's app actually has some crazy tools. Now, just to show you guys a little glimpse of what the actual app looks like before you actually get involved, you can see right here that it's pretty straightforward. It's very similar to a lot of the other apps that you guys have actually used. And all you do is build your watch list, pick the stock you want to trade. You have the chart, you have the ability to expand this chart and actually make it do whatever you want. You can draw your trend lines, price levels, and you can chart right here on your phone. You also have the ability to click on options, and when you do, you have the option to buy and sell your contracts regularly. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use. And if you click on the actual order type, it'll tell you all the different order types that you can do with a nice explanation of what these order types actually mean. You also have news, you also have community. Everything is here that you actually want. The great thing is you're going to get all that added cash bonus and whatnot. Cool. So you no longer will have to pay for additional stuff. Obviously, first and foremost is going to be level 2 market data. You'll have a paper trading account, and you'll have advanced charting software that you can use so you can get rid of the other ones that you're paying for monthly. And now here's how this challenge will exactly work. Obviously, the starting balance on the account is going to be $1,000. We're going to be trading options, day trades, momentum trades, and possibly a few quick swing trades. We're never going to be risking more than 10% of the account, and I'll explain in detail what that actually means. And of course, the goal is to document the journey step by step. Remember, I'll be posting weekly updates on YouTube, but here's the bonus. You can also follow my trades and updates inside the MooMoo community tab. Just download the MooMoo app, search for me, and join the conversation. I'll be dropping charts, updates, and insights as I go. So if you want to follow along, here's the step-by-step things you need to do. 1, click the link down below and download the MooMoo app. Make sure you register and secure your 60-day commission-free trading. This is going to be vital to growing this account. And lastly, jump into the MooMoo community, search for me, and let's get going. The trades are going to be starting within the next few weeks. So subscribe, turn on that notification, and comment down below, "I'm in," if you're joining the challenge. Now, for those of you that stuck around, as I promised, till the end of this video, here's the free training specifically made for you guys. Click the description, and I've buried a link all the way at the bottom for you guys so you can go ahead and get a head start on training that you need before this challenge goes live.